Good morning, students. My name is Teacher John, and today we are going on with a topic on interpreting literary works. And our book was How Are the Bus Drive. We finished up looking at the summary of chapters. We also looked on the characterizations of the book. And then now we are going on the other, today, our main focus will be on the theme of the book. Now, what is the theme, first of all? Theme is the main teaching of the book, or the key concept, the key issues discussed in the book. And we are going to look at three issues which have been clearly discussed in the book. And the first one is about alcoholism. We have been told that drinking beer or any other alcohol is not good for someone, because you see the drunkard, the way he behaves. And they are saying that alcoholism can lead to breathing on outdated things, like despising women, that they cannot drive a car, like the way you saw the drunkard was trying to despise her, that she cannot drive a car, so she has to come out of the car. And the second issue which has been discussed, the gender stereotype, that one gender is seen as superior than the other gender. This is an outdated issue, because nowadays we have the so-called 50-50. That is, every gender has its role, and a gender can play an equal role in the society. That is, women and men can play equal roles in the society regardless of their gender. So this is also the key teaching that we should not despise one gender because it is seen like it is inferior than the other gender. The other issue which has been discussed is all about hard working. We have been told that whenever you work hard, succeeding is at the door. It means you must succeed. So when you work hard, like the way Hawa was doing, and we are told that she was the head of the family, because she used the money she got from her driving work to feed the family, to buy clothes and other basic needs for the family. So she was one of the major components of the family which determined the lifestyle of her family. So hard working is the key towards success and a good life on earth. Now let us see some of the lessons we get from the book. The first lesson we get is that hard working is the source of development in the society. As I've already spoken, that the example is given by Hawa Ibrahim, who works hard, tireless, regardless of the challenges she faces in her work. She continues determining that one day I want to succeed. And you see how Hawa, we are told that she used the income to run the family and give some of the basic needs to the family. But the other lesson we learn is that gender stereotyping is not an issue nowadays. It should not be abide. We should not abide on gender stereotype. Instead, we should believe that every gender can do equal role, or can play equal role in the society, regardless of their physical, but also on their gender differences, as we see that women and the men can have equal role in the society. But also the other issue we learn here, or the lesson we get from this book, is that drunkenness is the source of misbehaving in the society. You see how the drunkard misbehaved towards her, insulting, despising, and I think that was the work of alcohol. So drunkenness is not a good thing also to be practiced in the society. But also the last thing we can learn from here is that women are the source of family and national development. You see how she struggles for her family, she struggles for the whole society. We see how she's loved at home. She works hard despite that she has the job, but also she makes bitumbua and the other things. So you can see how women are a source of family, but also national development. But also we can see that it is important to listen before you make a decision. A good example is Selemani, who tried to make a decision without listening, but when he listened to Mzee Athman, and he saw that there was key points that he could get from Mzee Athman before he made the final decision of allowing Hawa to continue with her work. So this makes the end of my book analysis, Hawa the bus driver. Let's meet afterwards, but I encourage you students to read more so that you may get some of the issues which I've not discussed. Bear in mind that what I've been discussed are few things among many things which are supposed to be discussed from this book. Thank you for watching, and you're welcome for the next lesson.